Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had talked about prune. So in today's topic, we will be talking about some shortcuts available for NPM. So there are a couple of shortcuts available we can use for NPM. For example, in case I want to create a project, I will do sudo npm init, and instead of minus minus yes, I can make it minus y directly. This is one of the command. It's a shortcut. For example, I want to install packages in npm file, or I want to install all the packages available in package.json file. Instead of writing sudo npm install, I will write sudo npm I only. As you can see in my screen, if I want only the package to be installed in dev dependencies, so for example, I will write sudo npm I movement. For example, I can say no install node1 for me in dev dependencies. So I have to write like this: sudo npm I node1 and space minus capital D. If I want to install a package and save them in JSON file, so I can install by using minus S shortcut. So these are couple of shortcuts available here in our no npm packages. So if you want to know in detail more about each shortcut, you can go here and you can see this shorthand CLI. This is the link for that in documents for npm.js. You can go ahead and read one by one everything. Like for registry, you can write minus minus reg. For save, instead of this where flag, you can pass minus S directly. Instead of minus minus save minus dev, you can pass minus D directly. And instead of minus usage, you can minus minus usage, you can pass minus H directly. Minus minus version, you can pass minus V directly. Minus minus yes, you can pass minus Y directly. So these are all the shortcuts available in npm. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.